Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. You know, the global economy is shifting faster than ever right now, and the absolute craziest part is that you literally no longer need massive capital to build an empire. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to start a highly profitable online business in 2026 with literally zero upfront financial investment. We're talking about relying entirely on mobile technology and artificial intelligence to build some serious wealth. Okay, let's dive into this. Do you want to earn money right from your phone, but honestly feel completely stuck on where to even start? Trust me, it's a frustration millions of people share. I mean, you hold this absolute supercomputer in your hand every single day. You see folks building these massive income streams while just sitting in a coffee shop, but the technical barrier always felt way too high, right? Well, that landscape has fundamentally shifted. What seemed wildly complicated just a few short years ago has been entirely streamlined by technology. Think about the old model of business. It literally held you hostage to massive barriers. You needed physical real estate, a shop, office space, inventory, and a huge upfront investment just to get your foot in the door. The big mental shift you have to make today is realizing you simply don't need a physical fortress to build an income fortress anymore. In 2026, AI has completely flipped the script. The barrier to entry has basically vanished. All you need is artificial intelligence, your smartphone, and the drive to begin. Zero big investment required. Section 1. The Power of Mobile and AI. So let's crush a stubbornly persistent myth right now. The idea that you need a $3,000 high-powered laptop to do real profitable work, it's officially dead. And honestly, this brings an unprecedented level of liberation. If you have a smartphone and an internet connection, you already possess the entire technical infrastructure required to launch a business today. It's a complete democratization of entrepreneurship, sitting right there in the palm of your hand. Think of this entirely as service arbitrage. Small creators are out there right now making thousands of rupees just by offering AI-assisted services to clients directly from their phones. They're leveraging AI's incredible speed to execute 5 hours of traditional work in maybe 15 minutes, and they're pocketing the massive difference. With modern apps, you can handle high-level video editing, generate stunning original images, manage vast social media ecosystems, and pump out content like scripts and marketing copy almost instantly. You're basically acting as a one-person agency, packaging these ultra-fast services directly from your mobile device and earning thousands without ever opening a laptop. Section 2. Focus on digital product business. Because listen to this. 2026 में सबसे fast growing business है digital products. Let's look at exactly why. So the crucial point is understanding exactly how this model disconnects your time from your earning potential. A digital product is simply an asset that exists purely in digital form. Traditional physical businesses are weighed down by marginal costs. Every new item sold means more manufacturing, more shipping, and more materials. But digital products, zero marginal cost. You build the asset exactly one time, and because there's absolutely no inventory to manage, you can sell that exact same asset infinitely to thousands of people worldwide at a pure profit margin. But what's actually selling in the market right now? Well, the demand is highly specific but incredibly lucrative. We're talking about comprehensive ebooks, curated lists of AI prompts that help other businesses save time, and ready-to-use digital templates. Then you have these massively popular niche items like kids' learning PDFs. Just imagine spending a single weekend using an AI tool to generate a beautiful 10-page educational workbook for toddlers. That simple file can then be uploaded once and sell thousands of copies to parents globally while you're literally fast asleep. The leverage is staggering. Make once and sell repeatedly. Seriously, let that sink in for a second. This isn't just some catchy motivational phrase. This is the definitive future income model. In traditional hourly work, you are trading your time for money on a strict one-to-one ratio. With digital products, you invest your time up front to create something highly valuable using AI. From that moment on, that single creation transforms into a tireless digital salesperson for you. It works 24/7, processing orders day and night, generating revenue repeatedly without you ever having to lift a finger to recreate the original work. Moving on to Section 3, YouTube automation and the global market. Now, this is where you build a completely automated digital assembly line. Faceless YouTube channels are experiencing phenomenal growth in 2026, generating pure passive income without the creator ever stepping in front of a camera. It works like this. Step 1, you become the director, letting AI analyze trends to conceptualize and write a highly engaging script. Step 2, you feed that script into a neural voice generator to produce a professional, perfectly paced, human-sounding voiceover. And step 3, an AI image creator designs an ultra-clickable thumbnail. You are seamlessly assembling these pieces on your phone, orchestrating an entire media production company right from your pocket. And the ultimate advantage here? Geo-arbitrage. Your geographic location no longer dictates your earnings ceiling. You can live in a region with a really low cost of living while earning in incredibly strong global currencies. Think about it. A business owner in Dubai, a startup in the USA, or an agency in the UK doesn't care where you live. They only care that your AI-assisted work is high quality and delivered fast. They are actively looking online to hand out lucrative contracts to people with these specific skills. If you have the skill set, the borders absolutely disappear. Section 4. Your future-ready start. Listen, the future belongs entirely to those who are quick to adopt new technology. I know it can absolutely feel overwhelming to look at all these global clients and automated systems, but the key is simply this. Start small, but never stop. Momentum builds from small, consistent actions. Tonight, right after this explainer ends, spend just 10 minutes experimenting with a free AI voice generator, or ask a chatbot to outline a 10-page ebook for you. That single, tiny action can completely change the trajectory of your life over the next few years. We've seen how AI and mobile phones have completely dismantled the old, expensive, heavily guarded business models. We've seen how digital products allow you to create an asset once and sell it infinitely. And we've seen how the global market is desperately waiting for these exact skills. The roadmap for 2026 is completely laid out for you. So the only question left to answer is, are you future ready? Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer, and I highly encourage you to take that first step today.